Does glass exist in nature, and where?
Glass exists commonly in nature, and the most common form is obsidian, a glass of volcanic origin which was known to Stone Age man and was used by him for cutting tools and weapons. Small spheres of glass called tektites are quite common, and these are believed to be of extraterrestrial origin. Materials of this type were found on the surface of the moon, not, after all, made of green cheese.
Oh, it isn't.
A fascinating natural glass is Libyan desert sand glass, which consists of large pieces of pure silica which are found lying on the surface of the desert in Libya. It's now believed that this was formed by a large meteorite which exploded above the ground, giving a huge fireball which melted the sand at very, very high temperatures.